Hi guys, in today's video we have a condenser fan motor that we diagnose and replace, and when I'm done I have to top off the charge, and we charge it by subcooling using the data on the back of the panel. So stay tuned for that one. Here it comes. Alright, we just drove up on one and the customer is complaining that the condenser outside is making some weird noises. So here we go. Alright, I got it turned off at the disconnect. Looks like we got a new start kit on it. Alright, if it's just a noise on startup, I want to be ready for it. Forgive me, I normally have my phone. I have the ringer turned off. I was expecting a call today. I've received some equipment, a delivery, and I had my ringer turned on. A strange noise can be outside, can be anything from the compressor to the contactor, the condenser fan motor, or the hub on the blade could be making noise. Let's alright, we're fixing to put power to it. Alright, that sounds like that condenser fan motor is a problem. superheat. Superheat 17 degrees. My subcooling is high, so it would make me think it's a little bit low on charge. I'm gonna check that real quick. I'm pretty sure that motor's our problem. Oh, yeah. That's reading right at 5. And that's 45.5. All right, let's check this motor real quick. Oh, that's stiff. Yep, we got stiff bearings. 1/5, 825. Let's get her an estimate to replace that. All right, this is what I'm gonna need. It says here I'm gonna need a 7.5 microfarad at 230 volt. Let's work that out. All right, we got approval, and we're fixing to change that motor. That's the only one left sticking out. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take this whole top off. All right, we got another condenser fan motor to do. I have a couple of those fancy nut drivers from Klein, but none of them have this. I have to keep carrying this one, and I think this is 11/32 with an open shaft. They do have some with 11/32, but it's not an open shaft. You don't want to do these too tight. Although this motor's probably going to last longer than the rest of the air conditioner. All right, we need to put it in that and route this the way it needs to go. I think it goes that way. All right. Now I need to get this mounted. Go. I gotta get all this lined up. I only have 2 screws in this. Now let's hope I don't have to reverse the rotation. I'm not seeing any of those holes line up. Alright, I'm fixing to mount our capacitor right here. There's nothing I'm gonna damage by drilling through right there. Alright. I just need to get all this wired up and then I'm going to clean this up. Here's a pro tip. If you're looking to lighten your load in your bag, just carry the essential tools. These right here aren't just needle nose, they're wire strippers. You can turn your bend on number 10 if you're mounting that. And if you can see right here, they have the good double crimper that you find in the regular Kleins. These right here have that, and that's a good crimper. I like it. I do have several other wire strippers and a tool that's meant just for crimping, but oftentimes I'm finding I just use this right here. And as you see, that makes a really good crimp. Alright, like I said, I'm going to use the black wire. We're going to cap off this red. This goes right to the defrost board. I do like to tend to leave long wires. And this one, it can either go to the top of the contactor that feeds this right here, or it can go right there. I think I'm gonna put it on top of the contactor if I can. Yeah, I do like to leave the wires longer like this and then just clean them up with a zip tie. If somebody needs to do any future work, it does make it convenient. All right, we just gotta cap this off. I still want to be able to mount this on there, so I'm gonna have to cut those shafts. Oh, these shafts up here, I think I'm gonna have to cut them. All right, let's see about this right here. Let's see if I can. How about that? I didn't need to cut them. All right, I need to go read the rated amp draw on this and come back and fire it up. All right. I'm gonna make sure it's turning this way and then check my amp draw. subcooling. That I even made a repair. Job looks nice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed that video. It is the end of a very busy day for me, and tomorrow's not slowing down. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thanks for watching.